The 2026 Prevost Royal Class motorhome stands as a pinnacle of luxury, engineering, and innovation in the world of recreational vehicles. Built upon the renowned Prevost chassis, it offers an unparalleled travel experience that combines comfort, performance, and style. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of sophistication and a testament to the art of mobile living. At the heart of the 2026 Prevost Royal Class is its robust foundation, the Prevost chassis. Known for its durability and strength, the chassis provides a stable and secure platform for the motorhome. This solid base ensures that the vehicle can handle various terrains with ease, offering a smooth and stable ride whether you're cruising down highways or navigating winding mountain roads. The exterior design of the 2026 Prevost Royal Class is a blend of elegance and functionality. The sleek lines and aerodynamic shape not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetic appeal but also contribute to its performance. The full-height, frameless windows offer panoramic views, allowing passengers to enjoy the surrounding scenery in comfort. These windows also flood the interior with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere inside. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that rivals the finest homes. The layout is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and comfort. High ceilings and wide hallways create an expansive feel, while the use of premium materials throughout adds a touch of luxury. From the plush seating to the rich wood finishes, every detail is meticulously crafted to provide a warm and inviting environment. The living area is equipped with state-of-the-art entertainment systems, ensuring that you can enjoy your favorite movies and music while on the road. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring top-of-the-line appliances, ample counter space, and custom cabinetry. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. The master suite offers a serene retreat after a day of travel. The king-sized bed is adorned with high-quality linens, and the spacious wardrobe provides ample storage for your belongings. The en-suite bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a large shower, dual sinks, and elegant fixtures that create a spa-like experience. One of the standout features of the 2026 Prevost Royal Class is its advanced technology. The motorhome is equipped with smart home systems that allow you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment with ease. The integration of these technologies enhances convenience and ensures that your journey is as comfortable as possible. Safety is paramount in the design of the 2026 Prevost Royal Class. The vehicle is equipped with a suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, electronic stability program, and a state-of-the-art tire pressure monitoring system. These systems work together to provide peace of mind, allowing you to focus on enjoying your travels. Storage is never an issue with the 2026 Prevost Royal Class. The motorhome boasts the largest underfloor storage capacity in the industry, offering 497 cubic feet of space. This generous storage area is perfect for carrying everything you need for your adventures, from outdoor gear to personal belongings. The